For what it's worth, listen to the rhythm. I just started it probably 2 minutes ago. Listen to the rhythm. That fucking timing is fucking dead on. Dead on. Sorry, I'm listening. There was a slight something in there. I don't know how to explain it, but the rhythm was off a little bit. And now she's purring like a kitten. So yeah, they were. The farmers were out today, so I got farms all around me. So as you can see, this is wheat dust. Wait, what did they have this year? No, that was soybean. So this is soybean dust. It blows off pretty good, so I'm gonna blow the whole car off and inside. My motor is dirty. You hear that little? That's the second water pump. Those water pumps do not make that sound until they're put under tension. And that's a Mopar pump. So if you're wondering why you're hearing those little noises under your hood, 9 times out of 10 it's going to be the water pump. But it literally only does it under tension. Yeah, I don't know what a fix is for that, but that's the second one I put on, and she still makes a slight little chirp. All right, so let me get back to it. I'm going to make my access door panel. Put my seats back in. I'll blow the car out, then put my seats back in, and get to work on the front drive shaft. All right, guys, that is the video. Well, I'm gonna still do more video of the patch panel. All right, guys, we'll talk to you later.